Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explained here, and this is only for the educational purpose only, and I have already informed several times, and today I'm going to show one more information from SEBI. So that could be a little bit dangerous who are following from that signals, right? So this was that message. SEBI cracks down on illegal WhatsApp and Telegram groups which were used to inflate stock prices. So be careful, and in each and every my video, it's also I'm placing the disclaimer only for the educational purposes, and I'm not informing from today itself not to buy and not to sell, that you know very well, and I won't recommend any place. I will just show only where it comes and where it goes and the target, that's it. So I won't tell any buy and exit, just I will show only this kind of movements or waves where it has to be next. So like that, so be careful, and if you are following from any signal centers, be careful, and I won't inform, there is no information other than this from my side. So let's close this and we will move on to the SGX Nifty. So this one, as per our expectation, it is already reached exactly what we expected, the 302. What I thought is 18,300. It's already reached. The SGX Nifty is 18,392. And a lot of people asking me in private messages like it's a Nifty is doing only, it is not yet reached the 300 mark, right? But why your thumbnail says is 300 reached 300? But first of all, what we are talking about, that is SGX Nifty. So from my thumbnail, I will do it for SGX Nifty, not Nifty. So that is my fault, right? So I agree with that. So from today onwards, we are talking about only the SGX Nifty to reach the target. So I already did that, reached the 18,300. It may be 18,500, right? So now it is already did 18,392, and I'm expecting the 18,500 zone. That I will explain now. So as of now, I will just unhide all those drawings. So this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, so this is the wave 3, and this is the wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the complete 5-way structure for this wave 1, this 2, and this is the 3. Right now we are expecting the 4th wave. So there is an aggressive drop, right? So tomorrow it's a Friday, maybe that the weekend. What I'm expecting here, it's maybe it can go high like this kind of price action, or it could be due like this. This is SGX Nifty, what I'm talking about. So within the 2 to 3 hours, or it can be within today in the 8 candles, it can make a high. Later onwards, one more drop can happen. So this is what I'm expecting. So the 4th wave, I'm expecting a little bit complex correction. So it will took more time than 1 week also maybe. So we can reject, where we can reject means it's the 23.6, and I have explained yesterday itself. This is also the major support zone as of now. So we just mark this, and the second support zone is 38.2. So that is also the major support zone here. So we can expect that 38.2 retracement for this 4th wave, and once from here it can bounce, or from here it can bounce. So it depends upon that wave formation what we are doing. But if it did like this, so that could be another like this irregular flat formation in the running flat, it may be. So I'm expecting only the consolidation. I won't do any more thing here. After this, I'm doing only the mid caps and large caps. So according to this, I will trade in buy section only if it reached this kind of zone. So here we can expect this wavelength to the 4th wave. Either if it is a 23.6, it can reach up to the 78.6. So that is 18,600. Anyway, my target of 18,500 can reach. Otherwise, if it is a deeper correction, it's a 38.2. it has to break above this. So anyway, I'm looking for that 18,500 zone within that. So if once it completed, and I'm expecting the bigger correction for the second wave. So, and I have explained that two possibilities yesterday, right? You just go through again and again for the previous video of yesterday's, then you come to know that is the first possibility of to making the 5-way structure. If it is failed and if it is comes like this, what I have explained yesterday, so that we have to consider this as a, this is as a B, and the whole thing becomes the C. So then this will become a 3-way structure. So this is also the 3-way structure in the formation of W, X, Y, X, Z. So later onwards, this is the 5-way corrective structure, and that is called as a triple correction. And here it's a double correction. So this is all A, B, C, and further it will took more consolidation here in the 4th wave. But if it makes the next week the 5-way structure, that will be the clear direction to the upside only after that second wave. So second wave may not be like this kind of 61.8 as per the Elliott wave theory, because this is a bullish price action. In the stock we are not going to see like that kind of 61.8 like that. For example, I'm showing here for this wave 1, look at this, this is a 38.2 within the 50 and it bounced. So like this it may happen. And one thing I will explain here, if the next week the 5-way structure is got completed above this high level, right? If it is did that 5-way structure, later onwards I'm expecting the 3-way structure. Nearly we can expect the 38.2 approximately if it is closed above that 18,800 mark. If it is the 5-way structure is completed, that's 38.2 is nearly 18,000. We can keep this as 18,000, right? So once the 18,000 is already reached, again I'm expecting that third wave of 5th wave can be 1618, or it could be the same length. This could be the same length. So anyway, if it is a 78.6, also if it is a wedge formation like this, it could be the wedge formation. It may do like this also, like here what it happened. So, and here what I'm expecting, this wavelength at least 78.6, right, for the wave 1, and we can keep this as a wave 4 rejection, and 78.6 is 20,000. So anyway, I'm looking only for this levels. 20,000 to 20,500 is the maximum I'm expecting for the third, but you have to watch this correction and the wave here. Once the wave 5 is completed, that is a damn sure about after the 38.2 or 23.6, it can shoot for the 3rd, 4th and 5th to complete the 5-way structure of Roman letter this. Later onwards, the bigger 1, bigger 2, bigger 3, bigger 4 and bigger 5 it to play. In that case, it will be the target is more. So first we have to watch this. So this week, tomorrow, I'm expecting a bigger correction. So either it can be again come to the downside as per what I expected, the 38.2 or 23.6. So the first target is here 18,000, that's second target. But what I'm trying to explain, this is the bullish market. If it comes here, we have to trade only in the buy trend. According to the Fibonacci expensive retracement for that 4th wave, we have to do. And think that the 4th wave may be a triangle. After the triangle breakout, it can do like that. So this is my analysis in SGX Nifty. And if now it is in the Nifty, it looks like same what I explained. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed here, and I'm expecting the 4th wave. So once the 4th wave is completed, I'm expecting the 5th wave. Either it has to break this, otherwise it can be a double top, and again we can get a rejection for the 38.2 as per expectation. So this is my analysis in Nifty also. But you have to think the second possibility I have explained. There is a chances for making like this for the bigger correction if the 4th wave is still ahead. So hope you enjoyed my analysis. This is my clear direction for only for educational purposes. My awareness and my ambition is to create only the educate the people. my awareness is the same thing, not for buy and sell and exit or entry like that. Try to see my videos, lot of videos for the educational, and I have already shared it in my forex surfers, the one more channel for the forex. In that I have already shared, and the below descriptions also I'm giving all that educational part, nearly 13 parts. It's 11 up to 10, and the 11th part is subdivided into ABC, so that you can go through, but it will took more time. It's not in one day, not in 1 week, or not in 1 month. It has to be practiced more than, and you need to see the structures, everything you need to learn. So hope you enjoyed, and you can learn from something from me, and it is proud moment for me also if you do that. But don't think this is a buy or sell, and it is not a signal services, right? So thanks for watching, and we will see you I think in tomorrow is a trading day is there. It's a not a holiday, so I can do it for that Monday pre-market predictions on Saturday or Sunday. Thanks a lot. Have a nice festival weekend to everybody if it is in Shankranti, right? Bye. See you.